Bruce Sees All.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Bruce Sees All Research channel. Hey, thanks for subscribing at the same time. A lot of views on the moon here. This is the channel that is your source for everything UFO and moon related. I also get UFOs here with the infrared camera and lots of stuff in the skies. What is this object on the moon? Is it a spaceship? Lots of anomalies of different shapes all over the surface. Very recently, in the past few videos, I showed you Tycho installations, but now, close up to Tycho crater, we're seeing a lot of other things. Let's view it in high quality, full screen, close up with a 14-inch telescope. So people are telling me you just showed us all these installations around Tycho, and now you're showing us even closer to Tycho, like cylinders. Notice how it's never the same way to see it, but don't worry, I'm not re-showing this again. We're going to view it from another angle, and I'm going to back out and show you the whole moon, where exactly this is, why I'm seeing the structures, because we are on the edge of the Terminator line. It's always the same excuse that I tell you all. Why can I see them elevated? I could see them all the time by adjusting the exposure, but here there's a lot less exposure to be adjusted, as we can see here. So we're looking at the same exact three craters that I showed you. We have Tycho there, the other crater there with the 90-degree angles is right there, and the bigger crater I just showed you right there. See if you can see the objects I just showed you. Come travel with me as we travel over the moon in our own little secret project. We're close to landing too. If there's ever been an eagle that has landed, we're probably the eagle that's closest to having landed. You see how the craters look like they are all eaten up? They were chiseled away. The construction to pass the pipes and lines through it, and maybe even some mining there. So we're looking at the same exact three craters that I showed you. We have Tycho there, the other crater there with the 90-degree angles is right there, and the bigger crater I just showed you right there. See if you can see the objects I just showed you. But why can't we see the connections? Here's other objects and lines going into the darkness. Again, what looks like cylinders. It's all over the moon. Recently I showed you these. Now we saw all the angles here in this video. Tycho crater. The moon's upside down. And look what is underneath there. The lines extend. And this is one of my favorite ones also. The wishbone connection. Looks like a boat, a sunken boat. Looks like we're looking at the bottom of an ocean. And these fusioning points are all connected, leaving Tycho. So you see the darkness around Tycho, and then it gets brighter and brighter as it extends outwards to hide the structures. This is totally top secret. I've been talking about it this week, but of course it's going to disappear eventually. The ideal will disappear. Did you guys know there's a tower at the end of the wishbone connection? Right there. Big black tower shadowing over the surface, and all these lines and connections. More videos on the way, everyone. Thanks so much for subscribing to the channel. This channel is continually being attacked. Thanks so much for the interest.